Yeah, why did you give Anthony your number?
So we're gonna talk?
How does she know?
He's going to do... all he's gonna do is start drama. You and your mom are in...
So let's go up in the air. Let's be...
Oh, looky there.
Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah. So I like that.
I just say I talked to him. He's my friend.
Oh yeah. So I got my hair.
Okay.
So we get modeled up here.
That's right. Looky here. Getting your hair brushed in the video.
Yeah.
And a big old yawn.
Yeah. There's a yawn. We'll make that when you do my hair.
Oh, bless you.
Put your jean tight.
See better? I feel better. Gets my hair brushed a little bit.
Yeah. So I was looking at my Uncle Monty. I know.